Please stand for a moment of silence followed by the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
Good evening. Welcome to Batchelor Middle School. I'm Mr. Bodie, the principal here, and we are welcoming everybody tonight to explore and to see the beautiful building of Batchelor Middle School. Tonight, you will follow a abbreviated schedule from your student. You'll go from period 1 all the way down to period 7. If you need any help, please ask around. There are adults, there are students that can help you. Enjoy tonight. Let us know how things are going for your son or daughter, and we're here to help. Thank you.
Watching.
Enjoy the open house.